Hi there, welcome back. So we're going to be talking about the 5 basic cuts, and I'll break them down as we go, but as you can see, I'm all set up. My potato is peeled. I did that with a peeler. As you can see here, there's the scraps. The cool thing that people don't know about this part of the peeler, if you have any eyes that are left, those can pick them out. So that's something new that I learned, so I just wanted to share that. Okay, so again, we're making sure that we're hanging on to our knife properly. Okay, first thing we're going to do is a slice. So what we want to do is, again, belly to the board. We want to be over it so we can actually measure the slice. And all of the slicing is going to be done with the back part of the knife. I have my tip down. I'm going to lean over, and I need to have my claw hand. So by tucking in my thumb and wrapping my fingers around, as you can see, I'm not going to cut myself. Okay, I have my knife on a 45-degree angle. I look over and I bring my knife down. Okay, and I'll do a couple of those. Now, the main thing we want to make sure is that they're all the same size. Okay, so as you can see, they're pretty close, and that's a slice. Most of the other cuts are going to come from the slice, which is pretty cool. Okay, so our next one is a dice. So when you think of a dice, I want you to think of an actual dice that you roll. That's the size that you want. So in order to get a dice happening, again, claw hand, okay, and we want to come down roughly about the size of a dice. Okay. And what we want to do is cut dice size this way then. Okay. And then we want to chop them this way. Okay, and again, roughly the size of a dice. Okay. And that's our dice. Okay, and yeah, it'd be nice to have them all the same size, but we're working on that. Okay, our next one, I'm just going to take a piece off of the edge here, is a julienne. A julienne is great for like carrots and potatoes as well. So again, claw, I'm going to cut one piece away. Okay, and what I want to do is create long sticks, and I want you to think of a French fry. Okay. Okay, so there's our McDonald's French fries, if that's what you want to think of. Okay, our next one, fine julienne. Fine julienne, kind of pretty much the same, but a lot smaller. So I want to make sure that I'm cutting it pretty thin. Okay, claw hand. And I want these pretty fine. Okay, so you can see how fine they are. Okay, so like little matchsticks. This one might be a little bit wide, so I'll just go and cut that one in half. And that's a little bit better. Okay, my last one is a is not a dice. It's a mince. So what I can do with my mince is I can take one of my small fine julienne, and this one's probably a little bit harder because I want to do all of this with the absolute of my heel. And what I want to do is just take this and cut it really, really, really small. Okay. So these are super tiny, as you can see. Okay. So that is a mince. Now the other way you can do a mince, if you want more of a rough mince, is you can put your hand on top, okay, and just roughly go through it. Okay, so we have slice, dice, julienne, fine julienne, and mince. Thanks for watching.